हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस, एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो इन टुडेज वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ टू मेक clear slime without any clear glue and without any borax activator, and actually like how to make it at home with the most cheapest of the cheapest ingredient that is already available in your home. Let's just say below 30 rupees. So yeah, so if you guys are interested to see how we can make super cheap slime at home that actually works and that isn't like a no glue no borax recipe, with toothpaste or shampoo and all that crap. This is an actual genuine 100% working no glue no borax slime recipe. So if you guys are excited, let's get started and let's see how we can make the slime. So for that we need to first make our no borax activator. So here's how you can make the no borax activator. So yeah, let's make the activator first. So for that you'll first need a bowl. So here's our bowl. So in this bowl you will need hot water. And you guys have to take hot tap water, not drinking water, because it doesn't work with drinking water. So we'll need some tap water. So yeah, let's get some tap water. So now in this I'm taking some normal tap water. I have taken normal tap water because I am making slime right now. Like if we have a very hot activator, it will kind of melt the slime away. So that's why I'm using normal temperature water. Now I'm going to add the second ingredient for making this activator, which is baking soda. So you'll need about this much baking soda, a little bit more if you want to make a more concentrated activator. So first make sure the baking soda is completely dissolved. Now we'll add our next ingredient and the main ingredient, which is boric acid, because this is how we will able to make an actual slime without borax, is by adding baking soda and boric acid. And this actually is like super cheap, like it's for like 25 rupees. So it's like super easily available in any pharmacy near you, and it's literally just for 25 rupees, and it makes a lot of activator. So it comes in a pouch like this. Now we'll add some boric acid and mix it all together. It is a little bit difficult to dissolve it in cold water, but that's why I'm telling you can use hot water and it will instantly dissolve. So yeah. So fantastic. Now that we have made our no borax activator, now I'm going to test it if it works or not. Now let's start making our clear slime recipe. So for that we will need some fevicum. So yeah, this is like super available in India, and this is not clear glue, you guys. This is literally super different from clear glue. This is actually a gum. So now we are going to add this into our bowl and let's see if our activator actually works or not. So yeah, let's add this into a bowl. So here's our bowl and let's add fevicum into our bowl. So now that we've added fevicum, now let's add some color so our slime looks pretty. So yeah, let's add some food coloring. So let's add this chocolate brown food coloring, and yeah, let's add. I think that should be enough. Let's mix this with our beautiful rose spoon. Oh my god, this literally looks like caramel, you guys. or maple syrup. Now that we've mixed our food coloring with our glue, we are going to add our new Borax activator. So yeah, let's start activating our slime. So now that our slime is literally activated, I'm going to go in with my hands and knead this slime together. Can you guys hear that? That slime is just so nice. It looks so beautiful, you guys. Can you guys see how pretty this looks? Like, oh my god, this just looks amazing. And that is it for today's video, you guys. You guys can see how pretty this clear slime is, and we can literally make so many slimes with, this activator, and it will turn out super nice. I will post its results of, it is getting cleared up in my shorts feed. So make sure you subscribe and wait for the results. And I'm soon going to be uploading that on my shorts feed. So make sure to hit that notification button and please, please, please subscribe. I hope you liked today's video, and I really, really love making slime for you guys. And if you guys want me to keep making more slime for you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's literally free, you guys. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so, so, so much for watching, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.